Finger Placement Mastery for Guitar Chords. Hello rockers. In our session today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of guitar playing, smoothly transitioning between chords. It's all about precision and speed in your finger movements. We'll use the A minor chord as our practice example, but the technique applies to any chord you're learning. Let's break down the exercise. Starting with the index finger. Place your index finger on the first fret of the B string. That's your starting point. Next, add in your middle finger, and then your ring finger, completing the A minor chord. Do this 10 times. Focus on how your fingers feel and move. Each repetition should feel a bit more natural. Hit pause now and give this a try. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Middle finger takes the lead. Shift your focus to your middle finger now. Position it on the second fret of the D string. Then, in a smooth motion, bring in your ring and index fingers to form the full chord. Repeat this sequence 10 times. It's all about building that muscle memory. Now hit pause again and run through the exercise. Great! Let's now target the last finger. Ring finger's turn. This time, start with your ring finger on the second fret of the G string. Follow that by placing your middle and then index fingers down. As before, do this 10 times. Aim for fluidity and ease in your movements. Hit pause one more time and let's finish this chord. Awesome! Great job! Take a second and enjoy the accomplishment. Let's keep moving along. Variety is key. Mix up the order in which you place your fingers. Try starting with different fingers or combining them in new ways. This variety helps your fingers become more adaptable and quick. Pairing fingers. Once you're getting the hang of it, start practicing by placing 2 fingers at once, then adding the third. This approach helps in developing coordination between fingers. End goal. Your ultimate goal is to reach a point where all fingers land on the right frets simultaneously, almost instinctively. And remember, this isn't just for the A minor chord. Apply this exercise to any new chord you encounter. It's a game changer for your chord transition skills.